I've learned so much from people in this industry. I stay in 40 kilometers from my work because of the history of South Africa. And what does it cost me to get into the system to actually get to work? I need to get up at 4 o'clock, and I need somebody to take care of my children, take them to school. Now I need to get transport, and maybe three modes of transport to get to work, from 5 o'clock in the morning. And so what is that? How does that index look like? And the service providers into this industry, do they really understand this index? And deliver it? And then things like they talk about transit-oriented development. Are you just going to develop in isolation, or are you collaborating with government and other, role players in your space? Yeah, if you do development, say for example, you're developing a shopping center, do you really plan the shopping center with public transport in mind? And will people really be able to access the shopping center, and whatever center, medical center, whatever, will people really be able to access this effectively?